SafeHouse HS520 is very easy to use and install because it does not require any cable and is compatible with the PNI SafeHouse HS550 wireless alarm system using a wireless communication. The application is compatible on all smartphones with Android or iOS, and you can download it from the Google Play, App Store, or just by scanning the QR code in the image. The PNI SafeHouse HS520 flood detector will send you notification when the first water leaks appear on the floor of your home.